Hi to all, welcome to my new class on perimeter area, class 7 chapter 2. Today's class I am going to discuss circumference of a circle. Now look at here. You have a circular arc and suppose you are going to run 2 times through this area. That means the outer region. 2 times you are going to run. How much distance you might have covered? How will you calculate it? Here you must know to find the distance covered by the circular region. This distance we can call it as circumference of a circle. Now there is an interesting relation between the circumference and the diameter. Now let us take it. Here you can see a circle and its diameter and circumference. Here in this circle, diameter is equal to 6.75 and circumference is equal to 21.1. Now let me write it here. This circumference, let it be C, it is equal to 21.19 and the diameter of the circle you can write it as D and it is 6.75. Now let me calculate C by D, that is circumference divided by diameter. Let me take the help of a calculator since it is decimal numbers. 21.19 divided by 6.75, which is equal to 3.139259. To correct 2 decimal places, 1 3 after 9 you can take 3 as 4, so it is 3.14 corrected to 2 places of decimal. Now let me increase the size here. Now what is the circumference? It is here, it is circumference is 28.21, so 28.21, and what is the diameter? 8.98. To divide 28.21 and 8.98, what will you get it? That is 28.21 divided by 8.98. What will you get? Yes, it is 3.141425, or cut to 2 places of decimal you can write it as 3.14. The same answer you are getting. Now let me erase this again. Here the diameter circumference you can write it as 30.44 and the diameter is 9.69. Do divide it. What will you get it? Let us take. It is 30.44 divided by 9.69. 9.69. What will you get it? Yes, again 3.141383, or correct to 2 places of decimal you can write it as 3.14. That means in all the cases you are getting the same answer. That means C by D, that is the ratio of circumference to the diameter, you are getting same answer. If you are getting in all the cases C by D, if you are getting same answer, we can call it as it is a constant. Okay. That means the same answer we can call it as a constant. In all the cases, you are getting 3.14, a constant answer. So this we can represent it by a letter. The answer we can represent it by a letter. This one. It is a Greek letter or symbol, and it is called pi. Pi. That means in every case, circumference by diameter you are getting 3.14. Now let me take another case. Now look here. What is the circumference and diameter? Circumference, it is 22 and diameter is 7. What is C by D? That is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Still it is 3.14 cut to 2 places of decimal. So the value of pi, you can either take 3.14 or we can write it as 22 by 7. Now let us check how to find out the formula for circumference. In the last case, in all the case you got C by D is equal to pi. Now you transpose D to the other side. That is circumference is equal to pi into D. Divided by D, it will be multiplied by D by transpose. Now D, you know, diameter is equal to 2 into radius or 2r. So this is equal to pi into 2, or this you can write it as 2 pi r. That means if radius is known, you can find out the circumference as circumference is equal to 2 pi r, where pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. By using this formula, you can find out the circumference of a circle. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.